Yeah, it was actually a good friend of ours, Kacper, that told us about the experience he went through here, and he said it absolutely profoundly changed his life. Of all the things he'd done, this was the most powerful, what he felt, process he'd ever gone through, and our friend has done a lot, so that was pretty impressive. So it really, it hit the heart. It just felt right, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. The manifestation workshop really brought me into a deeper level of wanting to manifest from the highest vibration I possibly can in my life. So I found it really powerful for that. I found it a good process to go through. A lot of the information I've heard before, I think Ray puts it in a very powerful way, a very succinct way, because he's a great speaker and presenter, and he has a lot of great energy, and that really helps with the information. And I think there was a lot of really good information there on how to manifest a higher vibrational life, and with the higher vibrational prana energy that we're working with, it's really I think it's important to be aware of your thoughts and your feelings and your focus and your intention. So I thought it was really good for that. It gave us a good idea.
Ray is, he's sweet. He's very sweet. He's got a great heart. And he's so focused and able to, stay the course and inspire you to do this. Yeah, without Ray, I know there's other guides, but I wonder, how they can inspire like this kid does, because he really does go deep into the consciousness aspect of it and what it's going to give you to raise the vibration and raise the prana and live from that place. And it's just a constant reminder that this, whether he's talking about his manifestation concepts and how to deliver them, or however it's coming across in the workshop, there's this underlying knowledge that this is right, this is good, this is going to help you, don't worry, it's possible, and you just get it, and that's really been very helpful at this stage, because once you enroll, buy your tickets, and get to the place and all the rest of it, you're just sitting there going, what have I done? Are you kidding me? Are these people for real? Like, what's going to go on here? And then that first day, it's just like, boom, it just lands. It's grounded in the place and in the space. So he's good.
Right?
I keep thinking I need a drink of water.
Yeah. And the tummy at one point was like, I'm hungry. And it was it went away quick. But we actually had a lot of fun this morning. We did a couple of really powerful meditations. One using breath, another using the chakra systems. And man, did we ever go out there. I mean, the vibration here in this setting, there's so much prana and nature and just beauty here. And the prana is very high. And so after we finished, it was just like this state of, things going fractal almost, right? They were so bright and clear with a real sense of connection to things. So I definitely I don't experience that normally when we're doing it at home, not this high level.
Yeah.
So something is already changing just in this short process in the first day of the fast, right?
Yeah, I'd say that's true. We've been we feel different in our skin. It's hard to say. It's like I've been transplanted into something, like there's a new vitality in the body, and it's inspiring. And we were inspired to do all of everything on our iPod. God, let's do this one, let's do that one. Yes. Now that we aren't getting up for our reishi mushroom bulletproof coffee.
And it's interesting because we're healers. That's what we do in our practice, and so we're pretty aware of energy. And man, there's a lot of energy starting to flow it's more intense.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. And this is only the first day, so it's going to be interesting to see how it goes.
Well, it was interesting, right? There was the fruit day, then there was the fruit juice day, and then there was the water day, and you could feel, each day you're getting to know different people a little bit more. But once this dry fast day hit, towards the end of the water day and into this dry fast day, it was just like, we are one. It's just like, we're all in this together. Like it's a level playing field for everyone. Doesn't matter what gender, what, size, shape, whatever you do, it's like, wow, we are one.
Yeah, and a lot of people are diving right in, which I love. What a bunch of brave souls, right? What a bunch of coconuts is what I said, right? It's so cool, right? To be with people willing to do this. And everybody's deep diving, and they're already going into a lot of processes, because of their commitment. And it's just wonderful to be with that kind of a group of people all over the world, and just to see we're all the same. And we're all pretty excited about this process and making a difference, and how it can change ours and others' lives, right?